How to turn off Windows 11. So whether it is Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Windows XP or whatever, the way to turn them off is pretty much the same. The first is you can just use a key combination of Alt and F4 on your keyboard. So once you press Alt and F4 on your keyboard, you'll see what do you want the computer to do. You can select shutdown and click on the OK button to shut down your computer. The other way you can do is simply go to the start menu as you normally would, and here you'll find the little power button right there. Once you click the power button, there you'll find the option that says shutdown. So clicking on this will also completely turn off your computer. So if there are any sort of unsaved works that you might have on your computer, first of all make sure that you save them and only proceed with this installation or this turning off steps. So this way you will be able to power off your Windows 11 or any of the computer for that matter. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.